Hi, today I will share to you on how to multiply two digits the easy way. So, multiplication of two-digit numbers. Let's say 53 times 27. So first, we multiply the last two digits. So 3 times 7 is 21. So 1 carry 2. Next, multiply 3 times 2, 6, plus 5 times 7, 35, is equals to 41. 41 plus 2, 43. So 3 carry 4. And then we multiply the first two digits. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 4, 14. So 53 times 27 is 1,431. Again, how about 21 times 32? Again, the last two digits is 1 times 2 is 2. And then we add 1 times 3 is 3. Times 2 times 2 is 4. Is 7. And then multiply the first two digits. 2 times 3 is 6. So 21 times 32 is 672. See, it's easy. Again, let's do 46 times 14 is equals to, multiply again last digit. 6 times 4 is 24. So 4 carry 2. 6 times 1 is 6 plus 4 times 4 is 16, which is equals to 22. Plus 2, 24. 4 carry 2. And then multiply the first digit. 4 times 1 is 4. Plus 2, 6. So 46 times 14 is 644. Another is 57 times 82. Multiply the last two digits is 14. So 4 carry 1. 7 times 8 is 56. Plus 5 times 2 is 10. So equals to 66. 66 plus 1 is 67. So 7 carry 6. Next, first two digits. 5 times 8 is 40. Plus 6, 46. So 57 times 82 is 4,674. Okay, another example. Let's try 63 times 28. Again, last two digits. 3 times 8 is 24. 4 carry 2. Next is 3 times 2, 6, plus 6 times 8 is 48, which is equals to 54. 54 plus 2 is 56, so 6 carry 5. Next is the first two digits, which is 6 times 2 is 12, plus 5, 17. So 63 times 28 is 1,764. See, it's easy. If we keep practicing this trick, math or multiplying two digits will be easier. I hope you learned from our lesson for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And please hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you and bye.